My name is Elise Anderson. I am from the United States of America, and I currently live in Xinjiang, where I'm conducting a PhD dissertation research on the Uyghur performing arts. I first became interested in mukam when I came to Xinjiang as an undergraduate. I think I got interested in it just because I had never heard anything that sounded like it before. So just over a year ago, I decided to take part in The Voice of the Silk Road, which is a Xinjiang-based singing competition. And the response to me going on The Voice of the Silk Road has just been unbelievable.
Learning to perform Uyghur music myself has been invaluable for my doctoral research. It's made me far more aware of sort of the range of themes that exist in Uyghur music, just because I've had to learn texts to sing myself, and it's also, given me a much deeper understanding of the different aesthetic concerns in Uyghur music.
Ellis 学2年了，那个学木课嘛，说话嘛那个语速一模一样那个说话的。啊，都当然呀的，你莫干的紧，呀的没什么嘛是的。
Элис, Андерсон.
I went on and I sang a jazz standard in English that nobody really cared about. But the biggest response, the most overwhelming response, was that of people who were so happy that I spoke Uyghur when I was on stage. I sang a little bit of mukam.
Amerika'dan kepsiz man jirak joylardan jirak qit'adan muqam o'rgangan.
在四九楼的时候，他唱歌嘛不是啊，我们都认识他，支持他，他唱歌非常好，声音也特别好，他太可爱了。Sizi körükten tanımadım. Uy,
When I came to Xinjiang for the first time, I had no clue that there was even a group of people called Uyghurs, and how fascinating the world is, and I think that just created a huge change in my own mindset and my understanding of this world.
To'yinglar muborak bo'lsin. Mag'lubiyat